Known as the City Different, Santa Fe, New Mexico's capital, has a unique creative arts community that is no less unique when it comes to cocktails. The margarita is at the forefront of mixed drinks, with 45 different margaritas available to explore on Santa Fe's Margarita Trail. The city's best bars and restaurants have joined in to create specially crafted margaritas to stamp in a passport for a culinary adventure, recipes, a drink discount, and potential prizes. JauntTV ventured to La Fonda on the Plaza, Santa Fe's historic Southwestern-style hotel, for our margarita adventure. La Fiesta Lounge serves up the Tamarindo Margarita for the Margarita Trail. The Tamarindo Margarita consists of a shot of silver tequila, a shot of zero-proof Somcan cordial tamarind, a shot of lime juice, shaken with ice and poured into a salted glass, and garnished with a lime, and it's ready to drink. Santa Fe Spirits was founded by Englishman Colin Keegan in 2010 with the goal of becoming the Southwest's pre-eminent artisan distillery, using local, organic ingredients to bring high-quality Scotch-style whiskeys and Calvados-style apple brandies to the Southwest. This small brewery and bar makes its own mixers and combines them with their own apple brandy, Expedition vodka, Wheeler's gin, or Cole Keegan whiskey. Cheers!